Business runs on information. It is that simple. Information is the foundation of process, relationship, product and service, customer experience, investment, and profitability. Having the correct information can be the difference between success and failure. Today's businesses don't lack data. It piles up everywhere. Estimates indicate 1.7 megabytes of data are created every second for every person. The data is stored all over the business, rarely integrated, and often distrusted because of untrustworthy sources or disorganized form, or at best, compiled in a few simple reports or spreadsheets. Business leaders rely on data to make decisions and act. Important decisions and actions rely upon great information and business intelligence. Yet many lack this because of the following: data quality and integration problems, security and privacy concerns, reporting and dashboard tools that are inflexible and difficult to use, perceived low value or difficulty by users, shortages of skills, investment, and leadership, past project failure due to extended timelines and high cost. As a result, the average company doesn't use 60 to 70% of its data for any analytics, and almost 2/3 of company data goes unanalyzed and, as a result, unused. We believe businesses can succeed through integrated and trusted information delivered in user-friendly and mobile ways. Surveys even show that companies with access to comprehensive and trusted intelligence will, on average, increase profitability by 8%. Leading businesses have come to rely on PCG ACTUALIZE solutions to turn disparate data into integrated information that actualizes decisions and enterprise performance. PCG ACTUALIZE delivers accurate and timely information for speedy and confident decision-making, comprehensive data integration no matter the platform or source, advanced predictive and AI-driven analytics and insights bringing the unseen to light, customizable and user-friendly dashboards based on your needs or requirements, mobility options that deliver your information wherever you may be, excellent training and documentation for easy learning and use, cost-effective options that meet almost every budget and schedule. PCG's ACTUALIZE solutions allow you to harness the power of your business data to empower decisions that bring new value to your business. Actualize your business by eliminating the barriers to great information across your entire operation. Imagine what you could do with PCG ACTUALIZE. Maximize business performance, empower people to do their jobs better, drive superior innovation and value creation, or find hidden ways to lower costs and increase profitability. You could do all this faster and less expensively than you might think. To learn more about putting your most significant asset to work for you, call PCG at 800-265-1230 or email info@pcgservices.com.